I've just scaled this brand new store from $0 to $10,000 per day in under 2 weeks. Now, being super transparent and honest with you, the main reason for this success was the winning product. It was basically nothing but that. So obviously the question is, how did I find that product? How did I select it, etc.? And this is exactly what I'm going to discuss in this video. This is going to be a full product research guide where I'm going to show you click by click how I find my dropshipping winning products. I don't even know if I should include this in the video because this product is actually really good. This is most likely a winner. And exactly these winning products make me hundreds of thousands of dollars every single month. Now, starting out, we have the burner method. Everybody already knows the burner method. Basically, you just have to scroll around on TikTok and Instagram, engage with dropshipping content, and then see more of it, etc. However, most of you guys are doing it completely wrong. It's not as simple as just scrolling around and engaging with that content. There's a bunch of tricks to consistently see, number one, new products, and number two, only see dropshipping products on your feed. So let me show you the right way how to execute the burner method perfectly. All right, so before we even start, we're gonna have to check if the VPN is connected and also if the Bluetooth is off. All right, most of you guys don't even use a VPN. You have to. All right, so now let's create the TikTok burner account. Basically, just click on continue with Google. Here you can already make your first mistake, okay? You need to use email providers which are high authority. So either Gmail or Outlook or Yahoo, these top ones. If you use some smaller, weird, unknown one, it's not gonna work as well. I personally would just recommend Gmail. So here you actually have to pretend to be around 30 years old because these people buy the most and have just like the highest buying power, and that's why they're gonna see more product videos. So here, when it comes to the name, it obviously doesn't matter, but just for good luck, we're gonna say Mikey again. So now that you're in the account, one keyword which everybody is using is TikTok made me buy it. However, there's one which is working much better. And that's basically product you need. From our experience, we've seen way better results if you just search product you need instead of the other ones. Here, what most people do is they just watch random videos and keep engaging with them. That's not what you have to do. What works much better is if you use a few filters. Basically, last 3 months and like count. If you do that, you're gonna see way better videos which are more recent and way higher in engagement, and these are the products you want to see. So keep in mind what the goal is. We want to optimize the algorithm of TikTok to only show us the best possible products, okay? Now, you can do a bunch of different things here, but this just works the best. You obviously only want to see products and videos which have a lot of views, a lot of likes, and a lot of engagement, and also are recent. So that's why we use these filters. Now, the second keyword, which works really well as well, is helpful products. And here, obviously, same filters. So now whenever you find a dropshipping product, you obviously have to interact with the post. However, avoid videos which have a low view or like count, all right? If they have like 20 likes, just don't bother and just keep scrolling, because you don't want to see these types of videos. And what's also very important is that you watch the full video if it's actually a dropshipping product with a high view count, and start scrolling away as soon as possible when you see a non-dropshipping product. And here, keep in mind, if you start falling for thirst trap videos or whatever, you're going to see more of them. So make sure to only engage and look at dropshipping content. One more thing you should be doing is you also should keep scrolling when you see the same product multiple times. Also, when you see these accounts which are screen recording other dropshipping products, make sure to follow them and also engage with that type of content, because obviously they're great for product research. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go through the products we found, and I'm gonna just comment everything I think about this product so you can pick my brain and basically understand better what I consider a winning product and what you also should consider a winning product. And spoiler alert, just looking at this list right here, I can already spot a few really good winners. So just from the first one, I can already tell you this one is super saturated. I would not test this at all. However, I would definitely keep an eye out for it when Valentine's comes around. I would generally save these types of products for later when the season is much more suitable for the product. Because overall, the product is pretty good. It's just saturated. And when the demand goes up, well, with Valentine's, it's going to be much better to sell. All right, so with this second product right here, it seems pretty cool. All right, it seems like a great product. However, in reality, who the fuck would buy this? I'm sure there's some weird niche which would love to buy this product, but these videos are most likely gonna go viral just pretty broadly because it looks cool, but nobody would actually want the thing. All right, so I would probably not sell it because you're not gonna get many conversions on this most likely. One thing about this product, this is an amazing product. Everything about it is perfect. However, it's saturated. you're gonna see this a lot of times where when you have a perfect product, it's just gonna be saturated because a lot of people are gonna sell it. And I've seen this product come back time and time and year after year after year on Facebook and on TikTok as well. So definitely keep an eye out for the right season when maybe not that many people are selling it. Right now, I would avoid it just because of saturation. And don't get me wrong, if you go viral with this product, most likely you're going to make good money. However, it's just going to be very difficult to go viral with this one because, as you can see on this account, the engagement like recently super low on it. This product every single summer was a winner. No failures, no nothing. I know so many people who made money with this every single year for the last like 4 years or so on Facebook and on organic. This product is great. Summer's over, so I wouldn't sell it, but like next year for sure. And this product every year has like some sort of new version and they optimize it. There's so many people who buy it, so it's great. This product was transitioned from Facebook onto organic. It was a massive Facebook winner, and at some point it definitely did work on organic as well. But this product in general, I would avoid it. It kind of sucks at this point. All right, so with this product, this is a pretty good product, and it might actually be a valid one to currently sell. So if we just look at the ratio of views to followers, it's like around 6 million views, 6.5 million views, the top videos combined, and they have like 5,000 followers, which is pretty good for such a product. And the only concern I would have with this is that this account, for example, stopped posting for some reason. So I would try to look out for other competitors who are currently selling it, and if you see that a few people are still selling it right now, I would go for this. So let's mark this as a maybe. I don't even know if I should include this in the video because this product is actually really good, but anyway, let's keep it in. This is most likely a winner. So just looking at this product right away, this is a very good product. Follower count is massive, super passionate audience in the guitar niche, a bunch of big videos, and most likely this person makes a lot of money off it because they go viral in a specific niche, and it just makes sense. Also keep in mind, whenever you target a niche, there's always, most of the niche are always beginners. So if we take the entire guitar niche, most of the guitar niche don't know how to play the guitar. All right, so the biggest chunk of the audience is going to be people who are interested in a more beginner-friendly how to learn playing the guitar from scratch product, which this seems to be. I'm not 100% sure, but I think this is a like more beginner thing. All right, there are some products which you already have to be super advanced in playing the guitar to even use the product, and those products tend to not make you a lot of money just because even if they go viral, people don't want it because they basically know, all right, this is just not for me, this is too advanced. This is also a pretty cool product. I'm not too sure if it's gonna convert like crazy, but just these like super cheap gag products usually tend to do well. Like if this product would cost like $20 or $30, it's not gonna work out. But this one costs $4 on AliExpress, which is fine. So like we can sell it for very cheap, and this is like more of a joke product, which is good. Also, just making these videos are going to be so simple because you basically just like show the product and that's it. It's going to be like a 10-minute thing. And I'm going to tell you right now, these products, which are very like showcase, you just show it and that's it, are good if it doesn't really take time to film. Like for this one, probably can pre-film for the whole week in like 1 or 2 hours and you're basically done. And you should definitely cycle in a few of these products just to have them running in the background, and maybe some of them are going to pop off. All right, so the next product here, it looks very cool. The videos, by the way, they make are so satisfying. They're just literally perfect. This is really good, but from what we've seen, this product just does not convert that much because apparently people are not that passionate about this. And even though it seems like a good winner, from experience, it's actually not the best one. Also, obviously, you would have to live next to the beach for this product, and it definitely makes it much harder for other competitors to sell this product if you actually live next to the beach. So this is something I would definitely keep in mind. If you live in Germany, you can't sell this product. The next product right here, it's gonna definitely trigger a lot of like emotions, and you can connect like very deep feelings of people to this product. However, the question is it gonna convert? I'm not too sure. It's very niche with the ashes thing. Maybe yes, maybe no. This could do really well, but it also could just not convert. But honestly, most likely it's worth a shot. Like this could definitely work. This one is actually also pretty good. Here, obviously, the angle you're gonna take is couples, most likely. Sometimes it's like mother and son or something like that, but usually the angle is gonna be couples, and it seems very cheap, like an impulse buy. So this might definitely work, and it's also very easy to make content for this one. I hope this was valuable to you, and I'm gonna tell tell you one thing right now. What we do in our program is a sheet like this one you just send to us with like 30 or 50 products. And instead of just judging by yourself which one is good and which one is bad, you're just going to ask us and we tell you which one is. This is one of the biggest advantages people have in our program because we have the database of hundreds and hundreds of accounts. Because literally most people who make money with organic dropshipping are in our program, literally over 50%. So we know all the analytics on everything. We're literally going to be able to tell you which ones convert how good, which products are trash, which products are saturated, which are currently working really well. It's very difficult to tell all those things if you're just starting out without having that massive overview, because I would not have any idea what's saturated and what's not just based on looking on Instagram or TikTok. You have to actually see the insights and know the accounts to be able to tell that. And the program is basically structured in a way where we literally look over the product you test and literally tell you what the winners are. We're going to look over the videos you make and we're going to review everything you do, tell you which videos are good, which ones are bad, what to change, what is bad about the videos, consistently give you feedback loops on your content, and we're going to make sure that your videos are going to start to become world class. We have people in the team who have billions of views on their accounts. We really know what we're doing, and that's why we're just going to be able to teach you that. Our team just goes viral left and right all the time, consistently. It's not luck at all. You just make good videos with the right products, you go viral and convert. It's a system. You just have to pick the right variables. And the variables in the system is which product you test, what content you make, how do you design your store the right way to convert the best, how do you scale using ads. All these things are very difficult to do if you're doing it by yourself, but we're just going to tell you what to do. We have people like Tristan, for example, who made over $100,000 at this point with his organic business. And the only way he did that was mastering the skill of making really good content and picking the right products. And this is not a special case. This is what we do. We are the best in the world at picking the right products and reviewing the videos and just getting you success. If you want us to look over your situation, you can actually click the link below, sign up for a free call. We're going to identify if you actually are a good fit for our program and then maybe get started with you together. Click the link below and I will see you very, very soon.